Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Drift for chat lead capture to CRM step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Drift account. Once logged in, navigate to the Connections tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Integrations option from the drop-down menu. In the Integrations section, find the CRM that you wish to connect with Drift. Select the specific CRM integration to access its settings. Follow the prompts to authenticate your CRM account. Provide any required API keys or login credentials as requested. After successful authentication, configure the settings for lead capture. Specify the criteria for the information you want to capture from chat leads. Make sure to map the Drift fields to the corresponding fields in your CRM. Save your settings to ensure that your configuration is applied. Now, return to the Drift dashboard. Test the chat widget to ensure it's functioning properly. Initiate a test chat and submit your information as a lead. Check your CRM to verify that the lead details have been captured successfully. If necessary, adjust settings based on your testing outcome. Once you are satisfied, your Drift integration with your CRM is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.